Less than 1 in 5 people know this about cavities, but once you learn it, you might never brush your teeth the same way again. Cavities are one of the most common dental problems in the world, but studies now show that brushing, flossing, and fluoride may not be enough to stop them. It's true that these things help, but they don't address the full picture. The real problem is mineral loss. Every single day, your teeth lose essential minerals due to acidic foods, bacteria, and even stress. This weakens your enamel and leads directly to cavities. But here's the thing. Dentists have quietly known for years that you can repair this damage naturally if you give your teeth the right minerals. The most powerful mineral for repairing teeth? It's called nanohydroxyapatite, or NHA, and it's not some mystery compound. In fact, it's the exact same mineral that makes up 97% of your enamel and 70% of your dentin. When NHA comes into contact with your teeth, it naturally fills in microscopic cracks, strengthens weak spots, and even helps repair small cavities, just like fluoride, but without the risk. The best part? You don't need to change your entire routine. All you have to do is chew. Thanks to a revolutionary new gum called Larineco, you can now repair your teeth with every chew. Larineco is the first chewing gum to use a powerful blend of nanohydroxyapatite, xylitol, and mastic, 3 ingredients clinically shown to help fight cavities and restore enamel. When you chew Larineco, the NHA binds directly to your teeth, repairing damage, rebuilding enamel, and making your teeth stronger. Xylitol works to slow the growth of cavity-causing bacteria and boosts saliva production, which helps naturally wash away acids and bacteria. Mastic helps reduce plaque buildup and freshens your breath. These 3 ingredients create the perfect environment to fight and prevent cavities naturally, every single day. This is a revolution for anyone worried about cavities, tooth sensitivity, or expensive dental bills, and it's the easiest solution you'll ever find. Instead of adding another chore to your routine, Larineco turns cavity prevention into something you'll actually want to do. Chew a few pieces a day, and you're protecting your teeth all day long. Most users notice fresher breath, smoother teeth, and reduced sensitivity within days. And over time, Larineco helps your teeth become stronger, brighter, and more resistant to cavities. This isn't just theory. Larineco is already trusted by over 320,000 customers, and many dentists are recommending it to their patients. Because the truth is, you've probably tried all the common advice. Brush twice a day, floss after every meal, use fluoride toothpaste, but you might still be getting cavities or worried about the long-term effects of fluoride. That's because your teeth need something fluoride alone can't give them: real minerals. Larineco delivers the mineral your teeth are actually made of and helps your mouth naturally protect itself. It's safe for kids, adults, even pregnant women. It's 100% natural, vegan, and made in the USA in an FDA-registered facility. Plus, Larineco tastes amazing and helps freshen your breath while it works. It's the first gum you can chew daily that actually improves your oral health long-term. No more worrying about cavities. No more sensitivity when you eat ice cream or sip hot coffee. Just strong, healthy teeth, the way nature intended. For a limited time, you can even try Larineco risk-free for 60 days. If you don't love the way your mouth feels, and if your dentist isn't impressed, you get your money back. Click the link to get up to 50% off your first order of Larineco today.